Today we're diving into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence, or AI. You've probably heard the term everywhere, from news headlines to your favorite apps. But what does AI really mean, and how does it actually work behind the scenes? In this video, we'll break down the core concepts, explore real-world examples, and demystify the technology that's shaping our future. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just curious, you'll find out how AI systems learn, make decisions, and impact our daily lives. Let's get started by understanding what AI truly is. Artificial intelligence refers to computer systems designed to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. These tasks include recognizing speech, understanding language, making decisions, and even playing games. AI isn't just one thing, it's a broad field that covers everything from simple automation to complex problem-solving. The goal is to create machines that can mimic or even surpass human abilities in certain areas. Now, let's look at the main types of AI you might encounter. AI can be categorized in several ways, but the most common distinction is between narrow AI and general AI. Narrow AI, also called weak AI, is designed to handle specific tasks, like voice assistants or recommendation systems. General AI, on the other hand, would have the ability to understand and learn any intellectual task that a human can. Currently, all AI in use is narrow AI, focused on specialized functions. Let's see how these systems actually learn. The heart of most AI systems is machine learning. This is a method where computers learn from data, rather than being explicitly programmed for every task. By analyzing large amounts of information, machine learning algorithms can identify patterns and make predictions. For example, a machine learning model might learn to recognize cats in photos by studying thousands of labeled images. Over time, the system improves as it processes more data. But how does it actually learn from this data? Training an AI model involves feeding it lots of data and letting it adjust its internal settings to minimize errors. Think of it like teaching a child to recognize objects, show enough examples, and the child learns to spot similarities and differences. In AI, this process is called training, and the data used is called a training set. The more diverse and accurate the data, the better the AI becomes at its task. But what happens after training? Once an AI model is trained, it needs to be tested to ensure it works correctly. This is done using a separate set of data called the validation or test set. The AI makes predictions on this new data, and its performance is measured. If it performs well, it's ready for real-world use. If not, it may need more training or better data. This cycle of training and testing helps create reliable AI systems that can handle new situations. Key technology behind modern AI is the neural network. Inspired by the human brain, neural networks are made up of layers of interconnected nodes, or neurons. Each neuron processes information and passes it to the next layer. By adjusting the connections between neurons, the network learns to recognize patterns and make decisions. Neural networks power many AI applications, from image recognition to language translation. Deep learning is a special kind of machine learning that uses very large neural networks with many layers. These deep networks can learn complex patterns in huge datasets, making them ideal for tasks like speech recognition and self-driving cars. Deep learning has driven many recent breakthroughs in AI, enabling systems to achieve human-level performance in some areas. Let's look at how deep learning is used in real life. You might not realize it, but AI is already a part of your daily routine. From unlocking your phone with face recognition to getting movie recommendations, AI works quietly in the background. It powers virtual assistants, spam filters, navigation apps, and even smart home devices. These systems use machine learning to adapt to your preferences and improve over time, making life more convenient and personalized. One exciting area of AI is natural language processing, or NLP. This technology enables computers to understand, interpret, and respond to human language. NLP powers chatbots, translation services, and voice assistants. By analyzing vast amounts of text and speech data, NLP models learn to recognize context, sentiment, and meaning. This makes it possible for AI to communicate with us in ways that feel natural and intuitive. Another major field in AI is computer vision. This technology allows machines to interpret and understand visual information from the world, such as photos and videos. Computer vision is used in everything from medical imaging to self-driving cars. By analyzing pixels and patterns, AI systems can identify objects, track movements, and even detect emotions. It's a powerful tool that's transforming industries and everyday experiences. AI systems don't just process data, they make decisions based on it. Using algorithms, AI can weigh options, predict outcomes, and choose the best course of action. For example, a recommendation engine decides which products to show you based on your browsing history. These decisions are made using complex models that balance accuracy, speed, and efficiency. The smarter the model, the better the decisions. AI systems often improve through feedback. When an AI makes a mistake, it can learn from the error and adjust its behavior. This process, called reinforcement learning, is similar to how humans learn from trial and error. Over time, the AI becomes better at achieving its goals, whether it's playing a game or optimizing a delivery route. Feedback loops are essential for creating adaptive, intelligent systems. Data is the lifeblood of AI. Without large, high-quality datasets, AI systems can't learn effectively. Data comes from many sources: photos, text, sensors, and more. The more diverse and accurate the data, the smarter the AI becomes. However, collecting and managing this data responsibly is crucial to ensure privacy and fairness. Let's see how data shapes AI performance. Despite its power, AI faces many challenges. These include bias in data, lack of transparency, and the need for massive computing resources. Sometimes, AI systems make mistakes that are hard to explain. Addressing these issues is essential for building trustworthy and ethical AI. Researchers are working on solutions like explainable AI and better data practices to overcome these hurdles. As AI becomes more powerful, ethical considerations grow more important. Developers and companies must ensure that AI is used responsibly, respecting privacy, fairness, and human rights. This means being transparent about how AI systems work and making sure they don't reinforce harmful biases. Responsible AI development is key to building trust and maximizing benefits for society. AI is changing the workplace, automating routine tasks, and creating new opportunities. While some jobs may be replaced, many others will be transformed or created. AI can handle repetitive work, freeing people to focus on creative and strategic tasks. The future of work will likely involve humans and AI collaborating, combining the strengths of both to achieve more than either could alone. Healthcare is one of the fields most impacted by AI. From diagnosing diseases to personalizing treatments, AI helps doctors make better decisions and improves patient outcomes. AI can analyze medical images, predict health risks, and even assist in surgery. These advances are making healthcare more efficient, accurate, and accessible to people around the world. AI is revolutionizing transportation, powering self-driving cars, optimizing traffic flow, and improving logistics. By analyzing real-time data, AI systems can make quick decisions to enhance safety and efficiency. From ride-sharing apps to smart traffic lights, AI is making travel faster, safer, and more convenient for everyone. AI isn't just about logic and numbers, it's also making waves in creative fields. AI can compose music, generate artwork, and even write stories. By learning from vast collections of creative works, AI systems can produce original content and inspire new ideas. This collaboration between human creativity and machine intelligence is opening up exciting possibilities in art, music, and literature. Artificial intelligence is evolving rapidly, with new breakthroughs happening every year. As AI becomes more advanced, it will continue to shape our world in ways we can't yet imagine. The key is to guide its development thoughtfully, ensuring it benefits everyone. By understanding how AI works, we can make informed decisions and embrace the opportunities it brings. Thanks for joining us on this journey into the world of AI.